There we go. We're up and running. Good morning. Today's date is Friday, January 19th, 2024. This is Rick, if anybody didn't know. And you are in the Hit Run Candlesticks trading room, if you didn't know that. The swing trade outlook, I think, is looking pretty good here. Looks like the SPY is up this morning a little bit pre-market. If we take a look at the transports, they're looking pretty good. An amazing, absolutely amazing day yesterday. Looks like we're trying to swing into the bullish side of things, looking at the trend indicator here. A little bit of follow through would be great this morning, and holding, of course. So go transports. Take a look at SMH. That's working out well. Semiconductors are just rocking here. And man, that's what's leading the way, to tell you the truth. Q's moving up. All the tech. If we look at the T2123 60-minute chart down here bottom right, you can see that hasn't given us a bullish reading yet. And that's because the broader market is not pushing up. It's just, those few stocks, all mostly tech, that's running us up. And that's okay with me. That's all right with me. I don't care if the market moves on, 7 or 6 or 2 stocks. We're trading the trend. So, we're not relying on what's going to happen 3 weeks from now. What we're doing is relying on what price does with the trend and trade that trend. So let's take a look at THC. Oh, hey, look, I didn't pull anything out with earnings coming up because we're in the midst of it. I mean, you're look forever, and before you find them, they'll thin out here in a bit where there'll be more stocks that is not in the middle of earnings. So please watch, do your due diligence on those earnings. Outside of that, THC, THC, what a beautiful trend we have here on this. And, this is just a perfect scenario to go back and just take a look at how we're trending. Price rises up. We're trending. You can see that in the trend indicator. And then you see the setup in here. Here we pop up. And the setup again. These are the entry setups. And of course, the breakouts can be bought. I prefer, buying below the breakout. I mean, overall, that's what I like. But I don't shy away from the breakouts either. So look how we pop up, entry. We kind of go sideways here just a little bit, takes its time. Here we even dip down a little bit, and then we come back up into trend. So boom, back up into trend. I mean, that could have been bought there. Look where we are right now. We're right in that buying area. It's nothing we're making up. You can see how it's done it in the past. So all we're asking is for it to do it again. URA. Doggone. Good morning. URA, this is one I'm still holding, and it's still working. Here we've had that breakout. Here's your pullback. I bought the pullback. Now I'm just sitting there waiting for the soup to become ready. Just, going to flop around a little bit and just kind of wait till it is ready to start moving on up. ELOS, beautiful, beautiful chart. One of the biggest keys is to have a watch list. Look, how you have your watch list, that's your business, okay? I use the scanner. But you take stocks like this, you put it on your watch list, because this is not a buy right here, in my opinion. Now, I shouldn't say that. This could be a buy for somebody that's not so much into timing. You just see a chart set up. So what you do is you come in here and say, you know what? It's trending, it rallied, pull back. Okay, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to let it flop around in a pretty large space, all things considered, for me. You'll let it flop around till it either grows bullish or until it shows bearishness. So, if that's the case, okay. But if you're a little bit more in timing and you're looking for more of some organization, so maybe we pull back a little bit and then we put a bullish candle in, or and maybe the second one, I have a scan where it looks for bullish candle over the previous candle. So what you do is you almost create your automatic pivot low right in there. And so maybe you're looking for that in timing, and that's where a watch list comes in. So however you do that, anyway, I think that's worthwhile. But ELOS, nice trend right in here. Big pop up is suggesting that the bigger buyers are there. A little bit of profit taking, a little bit of resting. We're going to look and wait for that next move. Home Depot. I think Home Depot's acting perfect. Nice trend in here. You can see where if we come back here, we go from a downtrend, we swing up into the uptrend. We have a little pullback, swing back into that uptrend, and that uptrend just rocks until we swing back, until we put some profit taking in there. We swing back down, buyers step in, and then swings it back up, and then we've got this nice tight entry area. And this is an entry area for entry now or entry for breakout. So nice little flag in here, pop out of the box in here, right here on the T line. Trend is working, looking good. Uber's looking fantastic. You can see how that has just trended up. That could have been bought anywhere, several places in there, maybe not anywhere. And then we started to go sideways, and this is what charts do. Nothing is new. There really isn't anything new. Charts do the same thing over and over and over. We get up here a little too high, then it has to rest a little. Then we have that little pullback, and then when we have that turn back up, boom. Now we're back in our trend. So now what we're going to do is look for that next leg moving up. ABBV, take a look at that. I love it. Beautiful trend. You can see where price action started to take a rest right through here, right through there. Now, price action may be getting ready to kick off again. Now, I would like to see that breakout, but I certainly see where we've got that bullish engulf, nice inside day. We start to see some movement up. Well, we just might be ready. Fastenal. Fastenal has a big move up yesterday. I was excited to see this. Put this on the watch list. Now what I'm going to look for is a buy on this. Now, earnings, this is one that earnings is over. That was an earnings move. So let's see how this acts. What we're doing now, excuse me, today we're trading from this candle. So if we start moving up, and I mean, you can use that low in there. I'm probably going to use the middle of the candle in here. I would like it to actually rest a little bit more and then maybe look for that buy. But if I did buy it up here, I think I would push that stop up just a tiny bit. But we'll keep you updated on that, with the app and all. Anyway, there's just some great looking stocks out there. Take a look at EA. Back down to the 50 period moving average. We're moving sideways. Look how we're starting to roll up on it. And it actually rolled up here. Here we're in this little downtrend, and then now we're swinging into this bullish trend. So here we dropped into the downtrend. We're swinging into the bullish trend, and now we're just consolidating. Little dip down, and then we pop back up. And it just, if we take this and move it up, even with that little pop down, you can see how it held that drop to the downside. So EA setting up. Earnings, that's the only thing, really. Dash, look at Dash. Talked about that yesterday. Bullish trend, profit taking, pulled us back to the 50. Now we're swinging back up. And the swing will go, a bullish swing will stay a bullish swing until it doesn't. And what you're going to have is multiple swings in a bullish run. So you swing, little swings like that, and then you start pulling back into profit taking, and now you start that swing thing again. That's just the way charts do. let's go to BTU. We'll call it a day after that. BTU had a big move yesterday. Saw that last night. I think it was Carol that actually posted it up here in the room. Thank you, Carol. And I went and looked at it, and there we go. So BTU, big pop up. So I want that to stay up here. So let this thing settle in. If it's going to stay up here, then it's going to stay up here. Looking at the weekly chart, look at the possibility you have here. Going back up to these highs on BTU. What is that, 80% move? Oh, that's very possible. So, let that thing set up in here, and we just may have something golden, a nice little swing up in there. So anyway, that is my thoughts for today, this morning. I want to thank everybody for being here. Absolutely appreciate it. And we'll see you back here in about 30 minutes, bottom of the hour, when the market opens up, okay? Thanks, everyone, for being here. Appreciate it.